Changing the data type of a column in BigQuery requires creating a new table with the desired schema, since BigQuery does not allow direct modification of column types in existing tables. Here's how to change a data type. Access BigQuery. Open the Google Cloud Console and navigate to BigQuery. Export data. If needed, export the data from the existing table to Google Cloud Storage or a new BigQuery table. This can be done using a query. Create a new table with updated schema. In the BigQuery console, select the dataset where you want to create a new table. Click Create Table and choose to create a table from an existing source or manually define the schema. Define a new schema, specifying the updated data types for the columns. Load data into new table. Use a query to insert data from the old table into the new table, converting data types as needed. Verify and replace. Verify that the new table has the correct data and schema. Optionally, you can replace the old table with the new one by renaming them.